Antioquian beans. A main dish from Colombia. Serves 8. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the beans and let soak overnight. Step 2. Put beans and bacon or salt pork in a pressure cooker with enough water to cover. Step 3. Cook for about an hour or until tender. Add the plantains and cook until they are soft. Add the salt and mix well. Step 4. Apart, sauté the tomatoes, onions and garlic until soft, then add to the beans. Step 5. Cook another half an hour until all flavors are absorbed. These beans are even better the day after. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.